Hello Earthlings, hope all of you are well. My name is alphaspotting. This New Year Eve I am in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and I can't wait to drone the fireworks on the New Year Eve and take photos of the Petronas Towers. A little bit back there's a secret spot where I will be droning later today. Right now it's approximately 10 p.m. so I have approximately 2 hours to kill, walk around the area. So that's what I am going to do right now. And that is the Petronas Towers, the twin towers of KL. Now there is some light rain, as you can notice. The rain was pouring heavier a few hours ago, but it has dimmed down, and hopefully by the next 2 hours it would disappear completely. Otherwise I am not sure if I'm going to be flying my drone or not. Hopefully the fireworks show will still go on. Actually, I've changed my mind. It's hectic back there and I don't want to go back there, and I have slight concern that the police will block the road to my secret spot. So in hopes that nothing bad happens to my spot, and I really don't want to go in there, I'm gonna go back there and try to kill 2 hours on social media. I have 45 gigabytes of internet, so I'm not worried about killing data. I think this guy has the best spot. Made a few new friends flying a drone there as well. Let's hope our drones don't crash into each other. View is impressive and no rain. T-minus 5 minutes until fireworks and we're in position. Wow guys, just look at this view. Alright, next you're gonna see the fireworks.
Wait.
Successful landing. It was close, 9% battery. That was so awesome. I got scared for 1 second where the guy there said the drone was crashed, and I lost my signal at that time. I got pretty scared, but luckily after like 10 seconds it came back. Now that was definitely one of the toughest flights I have done, but it was worth it. Of course, the videos, the photos, oh, they were amazing. I'm gonna come here to drone more as well, not during the fireworks, but other times. Petronas Towers are so futuristic and amazing for photos and videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this. All the footage and photos you saw were shot using the Mavic 2 Pro with a Hasselblad camera. Absolutely love this drone. Worth every penny I've put into it. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe for more content, as well as follow me on Instagram to see my Instagram content, my Instagram bangers, as I like to call it. Thank you very much. Alpha out.